Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox on OPPO A79. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search, and now click install. Now click open. Here you can set your Firefox as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can try out Firefox search widget, or you can click not now. And here you can turn on notifications, or you can click not now. And now your Firefox is installed and ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.